Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to e to the power of s ds. Next, this one we change by u. This one we change by u. E to the power of s ds we change by du. Now we have the formula in here. Because we have 1 minus sine u square, so I will put this one go to the right. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And now we have cosine u. Next, tan u, we can put this one tan u and tan u to the power of 2. Now we have the formula in here. Tan a square equals to secant of a square minus number 1. So I will put this one transform into this one. Next, 1 over cosine u we change into secant of u. Now we have integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to secant of u. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of u tan u du. This one we change by t. Tan u secant of u du we change by dt. Now we have the formula in here. So we put number 2 go in here. So 2 plus 1 we have number 3. The next one we have t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about secant of u. About u, that is about e to the power of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.